Hello students, welcome to the online classes, Standard 6, Subject Maths. Exercise 13.3, last exercise of this chapter. Okay, symmetry. First question, find the number of lines of symmetry in each of the following shapes. How will you check your answer? So according to the figure, as per the figure, you have to draw lines of symmetry. Here star is given. Okay, so first you can draw is this one, vertical. Second one, horizontal, then diagonal. So what is the answer? Lines of symmetry is 4. Then tree, Christmas tree type figure is given. So vertical line of symmetry is possible. Then one figure is given. 2 shaded squares are given. So this way diagonal, cross lines, length lines you can draw. So it's a order of symmetry is 2. The next figure, draw vertical. Yeah, it's possible. Both the portion will coincide each other. Both the portions are exactly the mirror image of each other. Then draw horizontal. Then also both the parts will exactly the mirror image of each other. Then one figure is given, insect. Yeah, it's possible. You can see both the sides, both the portions are exactly same. So vertical line of symmetry is possible. And here arrow is given, ray is given in 2 dimension. So vertical and horizontal both are possible. Question number 2. Copy the following drawing on squared paper. Complete each one of them such that the resulting figure has 2 dotted lines as 2 lines of symmetry. Here you have to copy the figure. One side it is given. You can see here in the first figure this side is given. So same figure you have to draw here on the upper side. So that is an homework. In the textbook also you can draw. No need to draw here this square in the fair notebook. You can practice in the textbook also. You have to complete the figure, all the portions. How did you go about completing the figures? It means you have to complete. So only one portion at 90 degrees is given. So you have to draw here, then this. Okay, so it's a square. Third question, in each figure below, a letter of alphabet is shown along with a vertical line. Okay, here it's given A, B along with the vertical line. Take the mirror image of letter in given line. Find which letters look the same after reflection. Find which letters look the same after reflection. Okay, it means you have to show whether the symmetry is possible or not. Vertical symmetry. Okay, so here remaining letters O, E, M, N, P, H, L, T, S, V, X. So let's see whether it is possible or not. For O, yes. E not possible. M possible. H possible. T possible. V and X. Okay, for these letters vertical symmetry is possible. Okay, for remaining it's not possible. You can see for the E, mirror image is different. Same way for the N, letter P, it's a different. For the letter L, it's also different. F, it's also different. Okay, so here this lesson is over. This is the homework that you have to do. Let's see, this figure is, this portion is given, I think so. No, upper side is given, it means this side is given. So remaining 3 sides you have to complete this way. Okay, so I hope all you will do this homework, and remaining 14 chapter. Yes, this after 14 chapter we will start in the next lecture. Thank you.